Hello students, good morning to all. In earlier class, we discussed regarding about health and diseases and parasites and different types of the hosts and different types of parasitic adaptations. Today's class, we are going to discuss about immunity and what is the reasons for immunity and what type of the system is presented for protection of human body. All right, so let us start. So here immunity. So what is meant by immunity? So nowadays this word we are receiving so many times immunity. So many members are discussing regarding about immunity. So what is meant by immunity? So immune system is the 24 hours by 7-day bodyguard system. Immune system is the 24 by 7-day bodyguard system. Immune system is the bodyguard system. So bodyguard system. So for human body, immune system protects from different types of organisms. So immune system is presented in the body. So whenever immune system is presented in the body, there is different types of microorganisms are trying to enter inside the body. It is going to be protects. In first slide you observed. So the humans are capable for different types of microorganisms entry. So it's a prevention mechanism, right? So the immune system protects the body from different types of diseases and microorganisms entry. So whenever microorganisms are enters inside the body, it causes diseases. So immune system is the 24 by 7 bodyguard system, and every day we are exposed to a large number of infectious agents. However, only a few of them results in diseases. Our human body exposes to the environment, and whenever there is different types of agents, infectious agents are enters inside the body. So we are inhaling air. Through the air, some of the microorganisms are enters. We don't know it is pure air or it is contaminated air. And whenever we are drinking the water and we are taking the food, at that time how much what type of the microorganisms are entering inside the body, we don't know, we are not aware, right? But whenever we are exposing our human body exposing to the environment, and different types of the infectious agents, disease causing agents enters inside the body also, we are not getting so many different types of diseases, right? So that point only given here. Every day we are exposed to a large number of infectious agents. However, only a few of them results in diseases. Some only causes diseases to the human body. What is the reason? Because immunity system is presented in our body. It's a defense mechanism. So immunity system is a defense mechanism. It protects against from infectious agents or disease causing organisms, right? Okay, it is due to the fact that the body is able to defend itself from most of them. So immunity is due to the fact that the body is able to defend itself from most of them. Whenever so many types of infectious agents are enters inside the body also, our body not causes, means diseases are not a result. Because of what is the reason? Because of there is a strong protective layer. Immunity is presented. It's a defense mechanism. It protects the body from microorganisms or infectious agents or disease causing agents. Okay, right. Next, the overall ability of an individual to fight against the disease causing organisms is called immunity. So what is the definition of immunity? How you define immunity? The overall ability of an individual to fight against the disease causing organisms is called immunity. So whenever foreign bodies enters inside the human body, any type of microorganisms or enters inside the body, any type of infectious agents are enters inside the body, so the our immunity system will respond, immediately respond and fight against to prevent the entry of the microorganism, right? So that power, that nature is called immunity. That ability is called immunity. So what is the definition of immunity? The overall ability of an individual to fight against the disease causing organism is called immunity. Okay, hope are you understood up to this clear? Right, next one, immune system. So immunity is maintained by immune system. The immunity, the power of fight against microorganism in our body, immunity. So immunity is maintained by immune system. So how immune system is maintained in our body? What is the specialized organs are presented? What type of different types of cells are presented for maintenance of immunity? Those are all comes under in immune system. Right? Okay. So first point, the network of organs, cells, and proteins that protect the body from harmful infectious agents such as bacteria, virus, fungi. So immune system consists with what? Immunity is maintained by immune system, right? So immune system is maintained by what? Means immune system consists with what? Immune system consists with network of organs in our body and different types of the cells in our body and proteins in our body. So those are all maintain immunity. So those are all called as immune system. So what purpose? That protect the body from harmful infections agents such as bacteria, virus, and fungi. These are all infectious causing agents, right? Okay, next point, the basic requirement of the immune system is to differentiate between self and non-self to protect the body from harmful foreign substances, microorganisms, and toxins, etc. So, on what principle immune system works? On what principle immunity works? The major basic requirement of immune system is to differentiate between self and non-self cells and protect the body from harmful foreign substances, microorganisms, toxins. This point you should remember carefully. uh, there is a differentiate between self and non-self cells. The differentiation, the identification of the recognition of difference between self and non-self cells is required. Otherwise what happens? Suppose one microorganism enters inside the body, right? Foreign agent, and our immune system is response of whatever the cells which are presented in our body, whatever the proteins which are presented in our body, the network of organs which are presented in our body related to the immune system identified, recognizes the foreign substance. And the recognition is important. It is actually foreign substance or it is our own cell only, self cells and non-self cells. Recognition is required. Then first identification, after that destroying is takes place. Understood or not? Otherwise our own cells, our own self cells or self cells are going to be get damaged. You understood or not? So first immune system, the basic principle is discrimination, differentiation between self and non-self cells. That is the uh, most important parameter for immune system, right? For what purpose? For the killing of for the destroying of different types of foreign substances. Okay, right. The branch of biology that deals with the immunity or study of immune system is called immunology. What is meant by immunology? Immunology means the branch of biology that deals with immunity or study of immune system is called immunology, right? Understood this point? So immune system, how immune system is maintained in our body? The network of organs, cells, and proteins are presented in our body. By that only immune system is maintained. For what purpose? Protect against different types of harmful and infectious agents such as bacteria, virus, and fungi, and many protozoans, whatever it may be, right? The next one, the basic requirement of immune system. So what is the basic requirement of immune system? Discriminate, differentiate between self and non-self cells. That is the most important. Differentiate between self and non-self cells is the most important for immune system feature, right? Then only whenever first differentiate, recognize, and foreign substances or non-self cells are identified and destroyed by our immune system. Right. The branch of biology that deals with immunity or study of immune system is called immunology. Right. So all of you understood up to this? Okay. Next slide. The lines of immunity. Right. So how the lines of immunity is presented in our body, and uh, how the lines of immunity is maintained in our body, we will discuss in next class. Up to this, clear all of you? Thank you very much. Bye bye.